So hi everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In today's quick word tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove extra blank pages in Microsoft Word the easy way. So whether it's a random blank page at the end or weird spacing in the middle, this video will help you get covered. So the first thing that you do is I will show you 3 ways on how you can remove the blank page in Microsoft Word. So here I have a document. I have a cover page. Then there is this blank page on page 3. Then when I scroll down, I also have a blank page on page 5. Then going down, I also have another blank page on page 9. So we will start up here removing the blank page. So I'll show you 3 ways on how to do that. So the first way is when you click on the page, then you hit delete on your keyboard, then immediately that page will be deleted. Or in some cases, you find out that the page does not get deleted. So what do you do? Let me click Control Z or Z to undo that. So if it does not get deleted immediately after clicking there and does not go away, what you do is you click Control Backspace. Once you click Control Backspace, it will be deleted automatically. So that was the first one, the first way. So the second way to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word is when we use this tab up here called View. You click on View, then we go to the navigation pane. Once you click on it like that, on this side, select page. Now from here, you can see the blank pages that you have. We have a blank page here, this one. Then we also have another one down here. So you just click on it, the blank page, the one that is blank like this. You can click on this, it will take you there. Once you click on this, it will take you to that page. Then you can go ahead and click delete on your keyboard, and then the same thing. You can also go ahead and select this other page that is blank, then hit delete using the View tab navigation pane. Then the third way for deleting the blank page in Microsoft Word is very simple. Once you have a blank page like this, go to your Home tab, then go ahead and click on this show or hide icon paragraph here. So click on it, then you can see what is causing your blank page. So here we have a page break. So if you highlight your page break, then hit delete on your keyboard, your blank pages will be deleted. We also have this weird paragraph space here. It's quite large, so if you want to take it back to the normal spacing, just highlight the page break, then delete, then hit delete like that. So you find out that this icon helps you to see if you have weird spacing within your document. So for example, here, when you look at this, it is so much, we have a big space between the top part of the page, then to this section of introduction. So you would put there your cursor and delete so that your margin sets are set well and your document is perfectly edited. And that is it. Now you know how to remove extra blank pages in Word. So if this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can never miss a tip. Got a question or another word issue? Drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.